Take care of the people of the Sunnah, because they are strangers. They feel strange. They feel strange when they look around and they see their fellow Muslim brothers and sisters with their greatest aspirations in life to receive the reassuring nod of acknowledgement from society, from parliament, from friends, from social constructs. They feel strange because all they want is the acknowledgement of the King, Allah, the Sovereign, and the prophetic nod of acknowledgement on the Day of Judgment. They feel strange when they see their Muslim brothers and sisters jumping through every hoop and wearing every mask to fit in, to not be labeled as a stranger. But for them, they hold on to their principles and values, even if it rocks a few boats along the way. And that is because society is always drumming into their heads and saying to them, you can't fit where you don't belong. So they've given up trying to fit in at the expense of their principles, and they have chosen to not compromise. They have chosen to inhabit planet Earth on their own terms, on their own conditions, as practicing Muslims who will not compromise. They are travelers to Allah along a prophetic path, and with that decision they are aware that they will be labeled as strangers along the way.